Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to reset FL Studio settings to default. Now we need to know that this process is very simple and easy. First, you'll have to open the FL application on your MacBook. Then here, you should navigate to this help button on the top left side. Here, this one. Simply click on it, then go and click on diagnostics. After choosing diagnostics, here you will find some options. Simply go for the second one, reset FL Studio settings. Click on it, toggle this on. Once you toggle this on, it will show here this small text. Make sure FL Studio isn't open before you use this option. Now I'll have to go and close the application. So simply click on the top left side here on this red circle, then close it and make sure that you do not have any projects that are unsaved at this point. Okay, so keep that in mind. Please go and export any project that you have before doing this reset step. Okay, I have warned you. Now I will simply click on no because I do not want to see the changes. And now you should click on the start button right here. Once you click on the start, it will show here this message for confirmation. Just click on yes, then go and click on OK. And now go and reopen FL Studio again, and you will find it just right here to the default settings. Now we can use it as before whenever you want. And that's all for today's video. I hope it was useful to you all. Please support us with like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.